Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix blank taskbar showing in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem, press Ctrl Alt plus Delete key on your keyboard. Ctrl Alt and Delete key. So you will see this window. Select Task Manager. Now here click on Run New Task. Type this command line CMD. Click on OK and check this box. Create this task with administrative. Then click on OK. Now guys, you have to type this command line I will give in description. Now here guys, you have to type this command line reg space delete space hkcu space slash software slash Microsoft slash Windows slash current version slash IRIS service space slash F space and this symbol space shutdown space dash R space dash T space and 0. So you have to type this command line, then you will see your PC or laptop is automatically shut down and it will restart. Hopefully guys, after restart this error will be fixed. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.